What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre. In this video, if you're looking for some side hustle, you're looking for some side income, this is going to be a great one for you because in this video, I'm going to be talking about the best side hustle jobs that pay well. You can make $20 or more per hour just by working at these jobs. So if this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, in just different ways. So as you can see, there's a lot of videos here that I talked about. So if this is not something that you're looking for, make sure you check out my YouTube channel. There's a ton of videos, and I'm sure there's going to be something that will fit you. So I'm going to dive into things right away. I don't want to take up too much of your time. So I'm going to show you the best side hustle jobs that pay well. So the first one that you can work with online is a website that is called transcribeme.com. So you can become a transcriptionist and you can transcribe audio, you can transcribe video into like high quality text that get paid well. So if you want to join the team, all you got to do is just come up here. You can click on join as a transcriptionist, but I'm just going to scroll through here and you can see some of the different websites or companies that they work for. Like Penny Hoarder, this is a great company. Women's Day, it's another great company. So what they offer, we pay you more than anyone. So you can get paid anywhere from like $15 to $22 per audio an hour. And the top monthly earnings is anywhere from like $2,200 a month. Average monthly earnings about $250. So even if you make $250, that's still good. Why? Because let's say you got a full-time job and you want to do this when you get home from work. You can make an additional $250 just by doing two hours a day. That's not bad. And if you want to make, 2,200, I don't know how much hours. So you can do the math and you can see how it works. So if you want to join, you can click on join here, or you can click on where it says join as a transcriptionist. So once you click on the join as a transcriptionist, you can scroll down here and you can click join. So make sure you have Chrome browser because I'm on my Mac and they don't support Safari. So make sure you got Chrome because that's the only thing. But you can read through here. They pay through PayPal. You can select the country that you want to work from, time zones, English, gender, employment, transcriptionist experience. If you don't have any transcriptionist experience, you can start by typing, just go to typeintest.com and you can see how fast you could type or do some audio by going over to Google Audio, and you can start to record yourself over there. So check out those two places to start getting some experience if you don't have any. Now, the next website that you can make some good side income from, side hustle, is Chegg. So Chegg or Chegg, whichever way you want to call it, it's a place where you can do tutoring. So I know there's kids all over the world, especially China. They're looking for people to teach these kids English. So whether it's English, it's Spanish, whatever, they want you to teach them. So tutors, if you click on here, you see the tutor section, and it will just take you over here. So students first, quality tutors available 24/7. And submit a question, choose a tutor, start a lesson. So that's if somebody want to find a tutor, they can click on here, they can find somebody that's going to match their criteria. So weekly plan, there's like $15 per week. This is if someone wants to sign up their kid to to learn some classes. But if you want to become a tutor, all you got to do is just come all the way down to the bottom, click on become a tutor, and it will just take you over here. So starting at $20 an hour, you can earn, the top tutors are earning about $1,000 per month. So that's not bad. These are some side income that you can make on the side. So you could click on the sign up tab, and then you put your first name, your email, your password, and you can get started. So they'll find the students for you, so you don't have to go out and do any marketing yourself. They'll find the students for you. You build your reputation. You get paid each week, which is awesome. And you can tutor from anywhere. Wherever is more comfy for you, you can just set up you can get started. And the students that you're going to work with, levels anywhere range from like middle, high school, college, professional. So if you want to stick to middle or high school, that's good. If you have a higher education and you want to go for the big league, then you could do that as well. So here are some of um, the testimonials from some of the actual teachers that they love the experience here and they get treated well. And I did had a friend that posted this on Facebook saying she just started working for Sheg. And it's good because she loves it. And she had her shirt, she had a little shirt and everything. So that's cool. So this is good. If you are at home, you don't really have if you're at home and you have some time on your hands and you want to do some teaching, you could do this. So set up your schedule and you can start getting paid right away. So the next website that you can earn some side income, side hustle jobs is 3Play Media. With 3Play Media, you can basically they're like captions, they're transcripts, subtitles, audio description. So they're like a full service and they're always looking for people to do some of the work. You got to understand that these companies are getting bombarded with lots of things to transcribe. So if you look at here, they work with IRS, Wisconsin, Autodesk, T-Mobile. So these are the companies that they work for because they always want to keep track of the information. So most times when you probably send in a paperwork to like, the IRS or the immigration or you're trying to get some things back, it takes some time because they're using companies like this to get their work done. So that's why you see sometimes it takes a little bit of time. I found out that the other day. I was like, why immigration process takes so long? Number one, they probably keep it in-house for transcribe, or they will hire a legitimate, safe company so the information don't go all over the place. So those are some good information. I don't know how true that is. That's what someone says, so I'm just telling you. So I don't know. So you want to find out some jobs, you can click on the job section. Once you click on the job section, it will tell you where the jobs are located. Of course, they're going to track like your IP as well, and they're located like in around Boston area. So jobs in Boston, there's transcript editing jobs. And you could just go to the English transcript editor, Spanish transcript. So if you bilingual, this is even awesome. So these are the 3 websites that you can start with. Just sign up for it, get some more information. So again, you have Sheg, you have 3playmedia.com, and you also have transcribeme.com. So these are some great websites that you can sign up and you can make some side hustle jobs on the side, make some money, and make $20 an hour that pay well. All right. So I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoy this great video. And if you do looking for something that will, bring you in a little bit more money, I highly recommend you check out the first link in the description, or just go to AndreMillerOnline.com. Pretty simple, AndreMillerOnline.com. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Peace.